Lining up, we're going to be sending out our sight lap this morning here at the inaugural Villopoto Amateur Cup.
My name is Derek Drake. We're out here at Pala for the RV Cup, and yeah, dirt looks good, looks really loamy, and looking out to go to practice and have some fun.
Hey, what's up? I'm Carson Mumford, right here at Villopoto Cup. Ew.
Looking pretty good. Dirt looks good. Track looks good. I look good.
This is gonna be sketch. It's cold.
Is there a pit bike race?
Yeah, there's a pit bike race.
Hey, it's a pit bike race.
Won the pit bike race. How pumped are you?
Super pumped, bro.
My name is Andrew Hersler. My weekend went all over the place here at the RV Cup. I'd say my best moto was probably my second moto because I got second place. And after that, I pretty much went behind on every other race because I fell. But other than that, I think I rode my ass off.
Hi, what's up? It's Caden Niffen, and we're out here at the RV Cup, and week went pretty good this week. Got a few championships, and pretty much stayed in the podium all week, so it was a pretty good week.